It was an emotional day in court for a local dad. He went before a judge facing some serious charges after his one-year-old daughter was shot and killed. While prosecutors say Julian Helbert did not pull the trigger, they say his actions did contribute to her death.
It happened on November 10th at a High Point apartment. High Point police announced charges against Helbert yesterday, and today he faced a judge. Fox 8's Celeste Smith joins us now live in front of the Guilford County Courthouse in High Point. Celeste, what happened during that first appearance?
Well, this was a very emotional first appearance for Julian Helbert, who is facing 6 charges in connection to his 13-month-old daughter's shooting. And his charges include involuntary manslaughter, felony child abuse, and unsafe storage of a firearm to protect minors. His mother and other family members were in that courtroom today and also very emotional.
Mr. Helbert was determined to have multiple firearms in the reach of children, knowing that at least one of the children actually got into them before. So he's accessible and able to be discharged, and was discharged in this case.
High Point police say a child younger than 10 years old got a hold of the gun and accidentally shot and killed the 1-year-old at a home on Aberton Way.
There were 3 children in the home. 2 are Mr. Helbert's biological children. There was an 8-year-old who has autism and is not his biological child, but for whom he had been caring.
Prosecutors and Helbert's attorney said he was the only adult in the home at the time of the shooting. Prosecutors said police found at least 3 guns in the home. During Julian Helbert's first appearance, he was being held in the Guilford County Jail under a $250,000 bond.
$250,000, I think, is just an emotional response to a very sad situation.
In court on Wednesday, his attorney asked for it to be lowered to $80,000.
You can see Mr. Helbert. He has lost his daughter. DSS is involved. The children are currently in foster care. He knows what the situation presents in that case.
Prosecutors asked for bond to be set at $100,000 secured. The judge decided to lower his bond. Since 2023, North Carolina has had the statewide initiative NC Safe, led by the State Department of Public Safety, to address the increase in firearm-related deaths in the state. Leading that initiative is Deputy Secretary for Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention, William Lassiter. He says securing guns in homes with children is crucial.
Was a firearm easily accessible to the children and was most likely accessed by a child inside the house, not the 1-year-old. While Mr. Helbert was the only parent in the residence, I believe his girlfriend, the mother of the child, was at work at the time this happens. The only people in the house with the children is Mr. Helbert.
While you're encouraged to educate your kids about them, keeping the gun out of their sight and reach is key. For parents concerned, a traditional gun lock may delay you having access to your firearm in case of emergency. Lassiter said there are new options that address this concern. 3
firearms found inside of the residence, and only one was used in this incident. But he was the only parent watching for all 3 of these children. Would ask for the top of the guideline on the E if your honor wants to put it in the guidelines. Otherwise.
While Helbert's bond was lowered to $100,000, the judge gave him some conditions. He cannot have any guns or have them in his home. His next court date is February 21st at the Guilford County Courthouse. In High Point, Celeste Smith, Fox 8 News.
All right, Celeste, thank you. It's a little bit